Hey guys, working on my 2015 Infiniti QX80, and it is time for a little bit of routine maintenance. I just got this vehicle, so this is my first time really servicing it, and I am going to be replacing the air filter. I have every intention on putting a cold air intake on here, but for now, I just want to get a new filter in there just so I know I did it. So let's begin. We're gonna pop the hood, and that hood release latch is right here. Let's go to the engine. With our engine hood up, this is our engine, this is our intake, this is our air box. Let's pop these out. There's a bunch of clips here. Another one here. And I think there's probably one more back here. Yep. And now, I'm just gonna lift her up and pull this out. If we have any big pieces of debris or anything in here, all I would say is just vacuum it out or pull it out, but we don't really have much, so let's compare our filters. And if you look here, this doesn't look too bad. Just a little bit of debris in here, but this is fine. This is our new air filter here. Let's throw her in. And we're gonna pick her up and drop her in. Let's see this. And she goes in like that. Yep, perfect. I don't see anything that shows the airflow direction, so I don't think it matters. Just make sure it's in, make sure the seal is all the way in properly, and we're fully sealed. There are these notches here in the back that we need to align to. Give me a second. And just push that notch in, and push down, push those notches in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And with that being done, we're all done here. Thanks for watching. Till next time, out. Bye. Just remember, put those things right there in those pins. If you don't, you can get an air leak.